It's a hot summer afternoon. Raju is feeling so warm. Even Tuffy the dog looks tired.
Whew, it's so hot. Let's turn on the fan. Wow, the fan spins so fast, but why does it spin, Tuffy?
Woof. Maybe it's magic.
Haha, not magic, Tuffy. It's science. When Raju turns on the fan, electricity starts flowing through the wires, all the way to the fan's motor. That's the heart of the fan.
A motor, like the one in my toy car?
Exactly, Raju. The motor changes electrical energy into movement, or as we call it, mechanical energy. Inside the motor, there are tiny magnets and wires that work together. When electricity passes through the wires, it creates a magnetic field. The magnets push and pull the fan's blades, and that's how they start spinning.
Woof! So the fan dances because of magnets and electricity.
Yes, not magic and magnetic.
Now that the fan is spinning, the blades push the air downward. That's what we feel as a cool breeze.
Much better.
Woof, woof.
Let's remember what we learned today. 1. Electricity flows into the fan. 2. The motor inside uses magnets to spin. 3. Spinning blades push air, giving us a cool breeze.
So next time I switch on the fan, I'll know. It's all thanks to science.
Science is cool, just like the fan.